Welcome to Tech Media, your gateway to engineering and technology. Subscribe now for more innovative content.
Hello everyone, so here I'm going to be showing you how to use free template on your CapCut. So I'll just go over to my CapCut and show you how to do that. So over here you see that you have what we called the templates. So without further ado, just click on your template to take you there. Right, so you can see different kind of templates that is available. So you can scroll to see different kind of templates. So just look for the one that you want to use. So I think I'm going to go back to that first one and use that particular one. I think I prefer that one. Alright, so let me just go back to the first template that was shown to us. Alright, so I'm just going to come here and click on. So it's that easy. You just click on use template. So you wait for it to load. Now it's going to take you to your gallery. So I'm just going to look for a particular video that can make use of. So I'm just looking for a video that will suit that kind of template. So alright, so I have so many videos here, but okay, let me use this one. So I'll click on next. So you just wait for it to load it up. Once it loads, it's going to open up our design environment. Alright, as you can see. So the reason why you're not hearing any sound from the background is because you are currently using the mic. So this phone is connected to mic. Alright, so it has done applying the smooth. It's going to make the video. It's going to smooth the video that we are added now, because the template we are using actually have a smooth filter. So it already applied the filter. So you can't hear sound from the video because we are using the mic that is connected to this phone. So as you can see, so if I show you the original video, you see that it's not as clear as this. So this is how to use filter on your CapCut. So the filter will display. You don't need to do any other edit. The filter will display exactly. It's an already made kind of filter that has been done for you. So you just need to apply it to any of your video. Make sure that the video you're applying it to is something that is related. Alright, so if it's related, that's the and so you can see over here you can do some changes. You can actually make some adjustment here. Alright, you have the audio, you can change that, and then you can also add some text in case you want to. So this is the let me just go ahead and so this is the major video that we are currently working on. If I click on play, alright, so if I click on play, this is the video we are working on right here. So the video that's currently playing, that's what it is. So if I want to check the audio, because like I said, there's an audio on this video, but you can't hear it because we are using the mic. So I'll click on audio. So you automatically go over to your audio where you can change the audio. You understand? So all these are different kinds of audio that you can use. I can just go over here and click on any audio of my choice. Maybe I'll just pick up this Arabic big bass, and then so you can't hear what is playing, but automatically I've already changed the audio on the background. I've already changed the audio. So the audio that's currently playing now is different from the one that came with the template. So this is the audio that I picked for it. So this is how you can also make your changes. So we also come here and look at this test. Let's see what we can get from there. So I'll just pause this video and go to test. You click on this plus sign button. Alright, so you can then enter any test. Let me just say this is a test, or something like that. So you can edit your color of your test, give it a background, a transparent background. All right, I'll just move this one to the top. All right, so over here you can check the size. You can see that you can check the size from here, and the opacity for it to be transparent. All right, let's check the opacity. Let's see what it means. So if I reduce the opacity, you can see the test is transparent. If I increase the opacity, you can see what happened to the test. So that's what the opacity. Then the size, if I drag it, the test will be bigger. If I reduce it to be smaller. So these are the things that you can do with this. Over here I can change the color to red. That's the color of the test, to red. Or I can come here and change the background of the test. All right, so you can just play around with what you have here. You have font. You can also look at font. You can change the font. All right, as you can see, this is a pro version of CapCut. So in case you are using the free version, you might not have access to some of these features. So if you need the pro version, it's only available on Android for the now. All right, we can give you lifetime access. You just click on "I need CapCut Pro version" on the comment section. Then I will reach out to you, or you can also check our description. The link is on the description on how to get it. All right, from our website. So I'm going to click on this particular. All right, so that's the test. So this is the alignment. Click at the alignment. You want it to align. Let's say you wrote I have different line of tests here. For example, I have different line of tests and I want it to align to either center. So you understand what that means. So the right up now is just one line. So if we try to make it okay, it still work. This is vertical. All right, so left and right. So these are the features that you have. You can just play around it and get what you want from it. So if I click on this good you are seeing right here, it automatically save every of our design. Then if you want this video to be saved on your device, you can just come here and export it. So this is how you make use of CapCut. And you don't even need to stress yourself. You just look for templates. Now this is the template that we picked. There are other templates, right? There are other templates. As you can see, there's a plus sign button here. When you click on it, you're going to add text to it. All right, in case you want to add another text, you're going to add another text to this right up. So in case you need a different kind of text, you can just go ahead and add your text to it. So it's that simple to use, not difficult. All right, so you can also go ahead and make your edit just like the way we make our edit there. Then you can see what you have. You have edit more here. Let me just go ahead and click on that. Edit more. It's a loading effect. All right, so that means you can if you say edit more, what it does is it takes you to this is our normal CapCut design environment. Over here you can do so many kind of effects. Okay, let me just play it so that you see. Now let me show you some certain things that is showing here. All right, so you don't get confused. Now this is the video that we're working on. Now this is the music that we added, which is the background sound that we added. Yes, sir. So here's the text that we added. All right, this is the effect. All right, this is how to do with the adjustment. If I just go ahead and play it, you'll see. So if you want a proper editing, this is where you come. You can actually just click on your video and do a proper editing here. Maybe you want to cut some part out. There are some things you don't like, you want to cut them out. You can just go ahead and click on your video. You have to do that. This is your proper editing. Then you come here and click on this, your split. So once you click on split, it's going to split it. So we're going to do that now. I'll click on split. You can see this video will be splitted. Just in case you want to do some edits, this video will be splitted from here. So you can actually edit it the way you want. You can edit your template. Even though it's an already made template, you can make it your own, edit it the way you want, add so many things to it, add background to it, merge videos together. You can just play with it the way you want. All right, so CapCut gave you a lot of leverage over your edit. All right, even though it's a template that will be created for you, you can actually make use of it the way you want and edit it the way you want. So that's all for this class. I'll see you in my next class. So if this video is very helpful, I want you to hit on the notification button and subscribe to our channel. So I'll see you in my next class.